I do setups like
sort of like in our
I'm Erin Williams. I am with the West Michigan Avid Typewriters. We are hosting our very first Type-In event, a gathering where people come. If you have a typewriter, we encourage you to bring a typewriter and have a space where people can use typewriters, whether or not you bring your own or use one of ours. It's been described to me as a car show, but instead of just looking at the cars, you actually get to drive them.
My name is Scott Dittenber. I'm one of the founding members and the president of the West Michigan Avid Typewriters. I'm thrilled with the turnout, beyond our wildest dreams. Just incredible. I mean, there's still people here, and it's lightened up a lot.
Oh my gosh, I still can't quite believe what happened here. We brought, between the club members, maybe 24 typewriters of our own, but we also encourage the public to bring theirs as well. And we're hosting it at a local art gallery called Muse, GR. And it started at noon, and this is the slowest it's been.
Every walk of life, every age group, everybody seems to have some interest in a typewriter. If you've never used one, you're fascinated and want to learn how it works. If you're a young adult, it's something you're aware of but never actually got to use, so you get to use it.
We have just had so much of the community come and type love letters, poems. We had Gery here typing on-demand fiction. It's just been wild. I'm pinching myself.
It's a much more relaxed, peaceful way to communicate. And the great thing about a typewriter is there's no delete button. So you have to think about what you want to type. You have to think about sentence structure. You have to think about how to spell. And you have to not worry about making a mistake. But doing all of that makes you a better writer.
I have a PhD in neuroscience, so I'm all about technology, but something about being able to disconnect from the technology that completely interrupts our day, always attached to some sort of device, being able to sit back and sit down at a typewriter that was made to do one thing and that was typed is really calming to me, and I think that resonates with a lot of people. Every
single thing you type is a unique piece of art that can never be replicated again, even on that very same typewriter. So I love it when people have that moment of, oh my God, Grandpa's typewriter works! And their face gets all bright, and when a kid types their name properly, they just get excited, and that's my favorite part. No matter what gets you there, the smile on people's faces and the satisfaction that they seem to have.